Faction. A group within a larger group, often with different ideas. Example, in the company, there was a faction that supported the new project and one that opposed it. Arduous. Something very difficult or requiring a lot of effort. Example, climbing the mountain was an arduous task, but they finally made it. Excruciating. Extremely painful or difficult to bear. Example, she felt excruciating pain after her injury. Felicitate. To congratulate or express happiness for someone. Example, they gathered to felicitate their friend on his graduation. Bustling. Full of activity or lively. Example, the market was bustling with shoppers during the holiday season. Excursion. A short trip or outing, usually for pleasure. Example, they went on an excursion to the countryside over the weekend. Gleaming. Shining brightly or polished. Example, the car was gleaming after it was washed. Frigid. Very cold in temperature. Example, the winter air was so frigid that he could see his breath. Briskly. Quickly or with energy. Example, she walked briskly to catch her train. Alter. To change or modify something. Example, she had to alter her plans because of the weather. Muck. Dirt or mud, often sticky. Example, the kids played in the muck after the rain. Mock. To ridicule or make fun of someone or something. Example, he was mocked for his strange accent. Evict. To force someone to leave a property or place. Example, they were evicted for not paying their rent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.